Hi guys, hope you're all doing well and welcome to this week's Crypto Chiefs YouTube video where we are going to take a look at FTM or Fantom. Before we begin the video, please don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And also in the comment section below, I will pin a link to our website where you can check out all of the results from our premium signals group, as well as a link to our Telegram group, our free group where you can join us for daily market updates and analysis. So before we begin actually looking at Fantom, obviously it's been a crazy week for crypto and Bitcoin after pretty much a whole of December with no volatility, a lot of sideways movement. We've started 2023 in a really positive way. I think this week actually we've seen the biggest green candle since July 2021. But obviously it's important not to FOMO into positions now, that this is when people will get burnt. But there's a few things I just want to show you that have aligned to help this rally. First of all, we can see here the US dollar index has began to lose a key weekly support level here, which is obviously if the US dollar is down, Bitcoin and crypto is up. We've also had a really strong move on the S&P. The downtrend as it closed on Friday evening is right on the downtrend resistance line, looking to break out. But we must remember that at the moment we are still in this year-long downtrend and it hasn't been broken yet. And of course this is really closely related to crypto. If this dumps, crypto dumps too. And also the US dollar with the USDT dominance had this really strong uptrend recently. We've lost that. We've lost the Monday low. We've lost the previous month low and the support trend line, which has seen a huge move down. And of course, this helps us see a rally in crypto. So because of all of this, this has meant that Fantom has followed in the same way. So we're going to look here quickly at the weekly chart first. We can see that this downtrend resistance, which has rejected a number of times, has broke really cleanly pretty much as soon as the week opened. This week we've broken through that really clean, and the area that I'm looking at for the weekly closure is for this level to hold here. So this 3,150 area, 31.5 cents, is the previous quarter high, the highest point of the previous quarter. If we close above that on the weekly, then that will be really bullish. And as long as everything stays this way for the next week, we can look towards targeting sort of 39 cents area next, where we'll likely face resistance from this previous resistance area. And if that's flipped, then I'll be looking to target this liquidity here up towards 50 cents. So the key, as I said, is to hold 31.5 cents on this weekly closure. Now, if we go to the 4-hour time frame here, we can see the really impulsive move up. Now, if I was looking for a position for a longer term hold, and this is something that I do hold personally, and I'm buying more of this all the time. In fact, it is one of my biggest holds. I'm really bullish on it for the future, for the coming years, that is. But what I would be looking for here is a potential retest of the 26 cents area. Now, it seems a long way away at the moment, but it is logical that we get the retest. We can see it was a previous resistance towards the end of last year a number of times. And we can actually see that before the whole FTX scandal, FTM was starting to really pump. That week leading up to it is one of the strongest performing coins, but obviously got smacked down because of FTX. But yeah, we did manage to break above it. We can see it did start to act as an area of resistance before we got an explosive move up. But this is an area on a retest would be a good place to now position for at least a medium term swing. And if we draw the fib levels from the low here in November up to what is the current high of this year, we can see that this area would align really well with the 0.5 fib level as well. So we should have very strong support on a retest of 26 cents. So for me, that's a place I would say set an alert and a really good area to start taking a position to swing for the medium term. I hope you found this video useful, guys, and I will see you in the week on the next one.